how to make money online just by drawing lines. You draw a green line, you draw a red line, and when you do this for customer and you earn $5 for this work that will just only take you 15 seconds. So when you calculate that in a minute, when you do that for 4 customer, that is $20. And assuming you just do $20 for 1 minute only for drawing line, I will show you today how to make that possible. Alright guys, before we move on to today's video, I want to show you some photos on Amazon so you can see, you can try to have an idea of what I mean. You see these pictures here, yeah? You see how clean they are, because Amazon does want always some pictures like this before you can start selling on Amazon. Your product should look like this. They need a white background. Do you understand? Okay, before we jump into this method, my name is Tosin. For you people who are new to my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I do make video on how every week on how to make money online. I do show you methods and strategies on and legal way on how to make money online. Make sure you hit this notification bell button, so anytime when I make video like this, all right, you will be the first person to get notified. So before your competitors get this strategy, so you can start implementing the methods and the skills and strategies I will be showing you on my video. So with that being said, let's jump into today's video. Make sure you leave comments and ask question. I will read your comment, or I will make sure I reply to your comment. All right, so let's jump into today's video. In today's video, I will show you a platform, okay, where you can make a nice photo editing, okay, for like a product like this, so you can, and you make this for people and earn money for it. Okay, I will also show you platforms where you can do this. All right, and if you don't, you can do it. I want you to know that you can do this for free. Okay, this platform I'm going to show you, it's literally for free. Okay, like I said, you see these pictures here, they don't have any background. This is according to Amazon terms of service. Okay, before you can sell or list your product on Amazon, you have to make sure that the pictures, okay, of product listing that you want to give Amazon or you want to present, they should have a white background. All right, and this is where we want to come in and make this for customers, like people for they have a e-commerce store. All right, they have an online store. You want to make this for them and earn money doing this. All right, okay, the platform that you can use to make kind of pictures like this, okay, that they have a white background, plain background like this. For camera, you see here now, this Canon camera is, you can use clippingmagic.com to do this, okay, as you can see here. All right, what we want to do here is that you want to come here and create the pictures here. I will still show you a platform where you can list your product and services for sale for the price, for the list price at least $5 to make this, to earn money with this method I'm going to show you today. All right, so the first website I want to show you is Clipping Magic. All right, and the other one I will show you is, before we move on, let me just show you here what you need to do. Okay, this Clip Magic is not free. All right, it is let me just show you their plan. They have a plan of at least, I think they have a plan of at least $3.99 per month. All right, okay, you can make the math yourself. If you at least get 4 customers, okay, that you want to earn $5 from per photo, okay, in a minute, that is $20. All right, and from this $20, you want to pay $3.99 to Clip Magic, okay, to but this $3.99 you can use to upload up to 75 photos. All right, I mean you can do this 75 times. You can upload 75 photos. You can edit them with this price. Okay, all right, let's go. The platform I will show you where you can create your services, okay, is Fiverr. For you might have heard about Fiverr. Okay, let me show you some. I will show you here some examples of photo editing. You go to photo editing and you see the prices. Okay, we have some here for $4.80, and we have some for more for $9.59, and like that and so on. Another one here for $4.80. Okay, these people do the same things. Okay, they edit a white background. Okay, they create a white background for their customers. Okay, this is what they do. If you want to make pictures like this, like what I show you on Amazon, okay, if you want to make a background, a background picture like this, a plain background picture like this for your product listing on the internet, okay, or on your online store, so you want to come to Fiverr and order people for these services. Okay, so that's it. You want to come to Fiverr, in the description I will leave a link below where you can join Fiverr. It is literally free, okay, to list your gigs on Fiverr. And for those who don't know what is a gigs is exactly the service you want to render for customers. Okay, they call it gigs on Fiverr. Okay, like this one now is a gigs, this here is a gigs, another one here is a gig, and they are all gigs. All right, this is the service you want to render for people out there. Okay, all right guys, my recommendation for you is that you join Fiverr. It is totally free. Okay, once again, I will leave the link in the description below. You want to join Fiverr for free, you want to create a gigs like this. Okay, for example, if you want to create a gigs like this first one, I will do any Photoshop job within 6 hours. Okay, or like this, I will do any Photoshop editing or manipulation. But let's just stay on white background. Okay, you want to make a gigs like this, and you want to make an upsell. Okay, for example, you want to make an upsell or downsell. If you want to know how to make an upsell, you can go and check what the other competitors or what your competitors are doing on Fiverr. It is very easy to create the gigs on Fiverr. It is very, very easy to create. All right, so and after that, when you get a order from customers, you want to now go to Clipping Magic and you subscribe for the list subscription. It is the $3.99 per month. Okay, all right, you want to come here and you want to edit the photo that we have a white background. Okay, to do that I will show you now in a second. You want to come here, click the upload image. So I have this camera here. Okay, this is good for. Okay, all right, and how to do that is for example, I want to make this camera alone. I don't want it with the stick, with the holding stick here. Okay, so you now come here, to the image you want to leave. You come here and mark it with the green color. Okay, with the green lines, you make it with the green lines. Okay, and you come here, you click the red. This red will delete everything that you don't want to that you don't want to show in the image. Okay, so this is how you do it. Just come here and click through the image you want to clean. All right, and as you can see, that's it, guys. All right. This platform is very easy to use, guys, because it will show you exactly how to do it. Okay, you just want to clean all these lines away. All right. Okay, so the picture here on the right side will be the one we're going to use. Okay, so that was very easy. This is what you need to do. With 2 seconds now, I'm finished with this editing. Okay, with this picture or photo editing, and now we're ready with that's all we just need to do. Okay, the photo is now ready. After doing this, you can now present it to your client. Okay, and clients, where to find client, you can find them on Fiverr when you create gigs like this. Okay, you want a client that they are selling stuffs online, for example, people who are selling stuffs on Amazon and so on, and people that have online stuff. Okay, I've shown you what platform you can use to edit these pictures and where to create gigs. Okay, now I will show you a platform where you can get customers that you can make this kind of offers for. All right, so you want to go to Facebook group and try to join all these Facebook group that, like for example, this one here is Amazon Deep Discount Club. Okay, Amazon Product Tester, Amazon.com, Amazon FBA Austria. You just want to go here and join so many group as you can that you see there that they are busy on online niches, on e-commerce niches. All right, you want to join and you want to then them, for example, like, yeah, hey guys, I can offer you for $5. I will make your photo listing editing a white background, and you can make them a discount price. You can even make them an upsell and a downsell. Okay, if you don't know how to do this, you can go to Fiverr and check what the other competitors are doing. Okay, check their listing, check their upsell and the downsell. All right, guys, and this is how you can also do it. You don't even need to pay any money to start this clipping magic. You don't need that in the beginning. You just need, after you get the order, you can now go there with the money you get. You can come here and subscribe. All right, for a paid plan, and with this you can use it to create this photo editing. Okay, so let's summarize this once again. You want to create a gigs on Fiverr. You want to come to Fiverr. Once again, I will leave the link below for Fiverr to join. Okay, you want to join Fiverr, and you will join here. You will just go to become a seller. Let me sign out here. All right, you want to come to Fiverr, you go to become a seller. All right, let me highlight it for you guys. You go to become a seller, you sign up for this. Okay, and after you can create gigs, okay, like the one I showed you before. All right, after signing up for Fiverr, you can create gigs that looks like this. Okay, photo editing services. Okay, you can create gigs like this. Once again, what gigs means is that you listing your services on Fiverr. Okay, this is what people are going to see. Okay, and with the price. Okay, like this one here already has 875 order. This one's here already have 981 order that you see. So you can see that this really works, guys. All you need to do is just start implementing this method and strategies I'm showing you. It is legit worldwide. You just need to start implementing it. All right, guys. And after creating the gigs like this, you want to then find your customers, because if you don't have any customer, you can't make any money with this. You can because after creating these gigs on Fiverr will show you to promote your gigs to get customer quickly. Okay, and to get them quickly, you need to go to where your customers may hang out, and that is, for example, Facebook groups on Amazon. Let's say, okay, you go to Facebook group and write drop shipping. Okay, drop shipping groups. Okay, and you see drop shipping for beginners, Dropify. All this, you want to make sure you join all these groups because this is where your customer are hanging out. All right. If you're new to my channel, once again, my name is Tosin. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel because I do make video on how to make money online and show you new strategies and methods on how to make money online. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. I will answer to all your comments. All right, so thank you for watching this video once again. I will see you in the next one.